Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In the previous video we talk about USDT flash or BTC flash scam. So how they create a multi-signature wallet and advertise it, and how they scamming with the people. And today we create a multi-sig wallet on Tron Blockchain. So here is the article, how to create a multi-signature wallet. So this is the guideline for the Tron and its mobile app, but we will proceed here on the desktop. So let's first open and Tron scan. And I have this Tron Link wallet is installed extension. I have 4 account. Okay, so right now this account is connected or selected. So this account, let me sure this is the same. Yes, TV. Okay, so let's change the account. This is account 1. So this TV7 is connected with tronscan.org, and it's my account wallet address. And we have here we can make some changings in here. So let create here more, or we can click here. The is account details we are getting here, and here we have account permissions. So right now this account have only one address, means if we proceed our transactions, so we need only one signature, and this is the only one person who will sign the transaction, so transaction will be confirmed. If we want to add more owners, means multiple owners, if all of these will sign the transaction, then the transaction will successful. So we can add it the owner approval. So here we have permissions. When we click here permissions, and we can here edit permissions, and we can add a new wallet. And I will copy the second wallet, so it's 1, and copy this address and paste here 81. And remember we need 100 Tron for this adding the new permission address, because we will pay the some amount of fee. When we click on the save, so we need to confirm, but we have 100 Tron in our wallet. So if I click here, so it will be proceed to make our transactions, but right now I don't have enough Tron in my wallet, so I cannot make these transactions. So it's very simple. If you have a wallet and you make a multi-signature wallet, you need to add a second owners, means all of these two owners will sign the transaction, then the transaction will be confirmed. So mostly people about the USDT, fake USDT scams, but is the not fake USDT, is the actual USD or original USDT. They deposit in their wallet, and the wallet have two owners, means two owner will be sign the transaction, and then you can withdraw or transfer funds from this account. Otherwise, if one wallet will be signed the transaction, it will not happen. Let's I'm show you here in the detail. It's on the mobile. You can click on the permissions, add, and then you can paste the new wallet. So here these all two new owners, and it's confirm password, and is both keys require. So it's just a example. If we making on the send and transfer, so multi transfer, let me show you the transactions where is the done. So here is the two permissions. The this one is sign the transaction and the other one is remaining. So here you can see the one is the tick marks is one of two, the sign the transactions, the other one need to sign the transaction. So the second wallet will get notification here, one transaction waiting for your signature in your wallet. So when you click on the pending and the sign the transaction, so both transactions will be confirmed, like here both transaction will be confirmed, then the funds from the wallet will be transferred. Otherwise, if you deposit or want to withdraw, so you cannot withdraw, because the scammer give you only one account permission. He not give you the all account permissions. Only they shares one account with you. If you have both private keys of these accounts, so you can withdraw funds from this wallet.